Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video we are going to try out all of the makeup brush sets that I got from 5 for 5. Each kit contains 4 brushes and they're only $5. So if you guys want to know my thoughts, then please keep on watching. Let me show you guys the first $5 brush set that I got. It is so cute. It's bubble pink and blue. It's more of like a baby powder blue action going on, and it has a waterfall effect. So again, each kit is $5. So basically it's like you're paying $1 and something cents for each brush, which to me is not bad at all. So this set comes with a flat synthetic brush, an angled brush, another angled brush, basically for contouring. I mean, it's kind of angled, but not angled enough. I don't know if I make any sense. And another brush that you can actually use for powder, blush, contouring, and bronzer. 100% super cute. There's a little bit of shedding going on, but no biggie. Let's just take them out like that. Here is the next set. You've probably seen this 1 million times already, but I end up buying it anyways because hello, even if they don't perform as much, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on display. So this brush set, it contains a flat synthetic brush, a pencil brush, another contour brush or highlight blush, another contour blush and highlight brush. So I don't know how you guys use your brushes, but I use my brushes the way I'm comfortable with them. So whatever works for me pretty much. And this is the last set that I got from 5 and Below for $5 for the brush set. Again, it's so cute, very aesthetically pleasing. There's glitters inside of the handles and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm taking out like the shedding already, and this is what I really love using when it comes to highlighters. Super cute. Can we all agree to that? And of course guys, as always, I'll be priming my face, and for my brows I will be using Milani, and of course the brush that I will be using is from the 5 and Below kit. So this brush is, I would say that it's not skinny enough for me, but it's the skinniest among all of the sets that I have. So we're just gonna work with what we have today. And then after this, of course, I will be making my brows more defined using the flat synthetic brush. And the concealer that I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. I don't really conceal my brows these days, I just use the foundation, but I just really want to finish this concealer, that's all. So far so good. I don't have any problems. I'm also gonna do my other brow, of course. Since there is a lot of concealer under my brows, I'm going to go ahead and drag that all over my lid, and this is going to act as my eyeshadow base. And using the Naked 2 palette, I'm going to get this cream matte shade and apply that all over my eye area. This is going to be my wash color, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab this, I would say like rusty color, and apply that on my outer V. I'm going to do this old school, and I really love this gold shade, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lid, starting from the inner corner. So far so good. I love how the brush performs. Now this one is a little bit difficult for me because the pencil brush can't really give you that really nice definition for the size of your eye. It's not going to look super blended, so I went ahead and just used that to pack on the black shade instead. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and this is still the Bronze Beauty. I've been obsessed with these lashes because they look so nice with a winged eyeliner. For my foundation, I will be using the Yours Truly from Joah. This is actually exclusive at CVS if you guys are wondering, and it's only $8.99. So right now I am using one of the fluffy brushes because I don't want a full coverage look. And for my concealer, I will be using the Makeup Revolution, and I'm still going to be using the same exact brush that I have used for my foundation because, like, why not? And then for my powder, I will be using the LA Girl Pro powder, using a clean powder brush. I'm just going to lightly dust that all over my face. So far so good. All of the brushes are so soft. I'm going to get that shade, and using the pencil brush, I'm going to apply it under my eye. Now moving on to my favorite part, which is contouring, aka faking the diet. I will be using the Tarteist Pro Contour Palette with the highlight. And starting with the sides of my face, I'm just going to slowly mold my face just like that. So one of the things that I like about this palette is that the highlighters, they give you this wet look. It's not one of those highlighters that is so glittery. It's one of those highlighters that just gives you that really nice, very subtle glow, and you can definitely intensify it if you wanted to. And the blush that I will be using today is from MAC, and it's called the Petal Power. I actually noticed that this actually looks like the NARS blush, but to me it's even better. And then I apologize if it's not focusing. And for my lips, I will be using Bite Beauty in the shade Whip. This is the final makeup look, guys. Okay guys, obviously I wasn't able to use all of them, so my only comment is that some of the brushes, you can definitely use them the way you wanted to. The only thing that I do not like in this set is actually the angled brush that is included in this kit, because I feel like it's really difficult for me to use it because it's really big. I want my angled brush to be really skinny, and the brushes, they do have a smell, so if you guys are going to buy it, definitely wash them first. But overall, you know what, for $5, and if you don't want to wait for too long for the shipping, because I know some cheap brushes would take like almost a month to get here, I think these are really good. So I totally recommend them. I'm gonna give you guys my go signal. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload almost every day. Just turn your post notifications on, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!